Hello children, welcome back. My name is Mwanda Hamid, science teacher, and we are going to begin from where we stopped last time, you know that. So what do we do usually? We go through the activity that I left you with, then we continue from there. So are you ready? Hope you are ready. Hope you are ready. Let's move. Our previous activity was simple. Write down and 4 uses of the sun. 1. The light from the sun helps people to see. 2. The sun helps the skin to make vitamin D. 3. The light from the sun helps plants to make food. And 4. Heat from the sun dries clothes. Those are good things. Number 2. How does the sun help in drying clothes? I talked about that. It dries moisture from clothes. Or someone can say it evaporates moisture from clothes. Why do farmers harvest their crops in dry season? There is enough sunshine to dry harvested crops. Why do farmers harvest crops in a dry season? There is enough sunshine to dry harvested crops. Next number, list down any 4 dangers of too much sunshine. Too much sunshine dries pasture. Too much sunshine dries water bodies. Too much sunshine dries farmers' crops in the garden. Too much sunshine leads to death of animals. How can crop farming be made possible in a dry season? By watering crops. I hope we discussed all that. Then, my good children, we are moving to our today's lesson. What is it all about? What do I expect from you, good children? I expect you to know what clouds are. Then, mention the types of clouds. Identify the importance of clouds, and finally, identify or state the dangers of clouds. Are you ready and we move? Let's move, children. Session 1, clouds. What are clouds? In your own way, as you see them up there in the sky, what do you think they are? Before we see, 1 minute, write some definition. Okay, I think you are done. What are clouds? Compare your answer. Please, you must be serious. When we say try, don't just look one and say, after all, he's going to do in the next one. And let me sit and wait just to see. Try. Use your brain to try. Then you compare with us here. So what are clouds? Clouds are droplets of water vapor which keep floating in the atmosphere. Can you say that? Clouds are droplets of water vapor which keep floating in the atmosphere. Say it again. Clouds are droplets of water vapor which keep floating in the atmosphere. Can you spell droplets? Droplets. D-R-O-P-L-E-T-S. Sorry? Droplets? Droplets. D-R-O-P-L-E-T-S. Droplets. Vapor? Vapor. V-A-P-O-U-R, vapor. Floating, floating. F-L-O-A-T-I-N-G, floating. Then atmosphere, atmosphere quickly. A-T-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, atmosphere. So what are clouds? Clouds are droplets of water vapor which keeps floating in the atmosphere. We move on. Clouds, there are so many different types of clouds. And what are these types? I want, before I open mine, before I show you mine, I want you to sit down and write for me 3, 4, or 5 types of clouds very quickly in 1 minute. Thank you, my P3 children. So what are these types of clouds? 1, nimbus clouds. Can you say that? Nimbus clouds. Can you say it again? Nimbus clouds. Can you spell nimbus? Nimbus. N-I-M-B-U-S. Nimbus clouds. Then 2, cirrus clouds. Can we say that? Cirrus clouds. Can you spell cirrus quickly? Cirrus. S-I-R-R-U-S. Cirrus. We practice. We have to practice also the spellings because we have learned these words. You can be asked from anywhere. So if you practice, you'll be able to say or to write or to give. Next is stratus clouds. Can you say stratus? Stratus. Stratus. So can we spell the word stratus? Stratus. S-T-R-A-T-U-S. Stratus clouds. Then the next one we have cumulus clouds. Cumulus. Cumulus. Can we spell cumulus? Cumulus. C-U-M-U-L-U-S. Cumulus. Then lastly we have what we call cumulonimbus clouds. It's a combination of 2 words now. So you will space with a hyphen. This is cumulonimbus clouds. Can you spell cumulonimbus? So cumulonimbus is C-U-M-U-L-O hyphen N-I-M-B-U-S. Cumulonimbus. So we have cumulonimbus clouds. Those are the 5 types of clouds that we have to look at. Am I clear? Yes. So we move on, my dear children. Note, the highest clouds in the sky are cirrus clouds. Someone can ask you, which clouds are the highest in the sky? So these are cirrus clouds. And the lowest, the ones that are highest are cirrus clouds. And the lowest clouds in the sky are cumulus clouds. Don't forget that. That's why I brought it here to note. The highest in the sky are cirrus and the lowest are cumulus clouds. So we can move on. Another note, nimbus clouds provide rain. Can we say that? Nimbus clouds provide rain. So the clouds that give people rain are nimbus clouds. My good children, we are going to uses of clouds very quickly. How are clouds useful? We are going to move very fast. Clouds help in rain formation. Can you say that? Clouds help in rain formation. 2, clouds protect us from direct sunrise. Can we say that? Clouds protect us from direct sunrise. If they were not there, the heat from the sun would be too much, but they try to protect so that they don't reach us directly. So clouds protect us from direct sunrise. Can we quickly spell the word sunrise? Sunrise. S-U-N-R-A-Y-S. Sunrise. Then clouds keep the earth warm, mostly at night. Clouds keep the earth warm at night. Then clouds cause changes in temperature. That's why you see sometimes it is cold, sometimes it is hot. You know what temperature is. So all that is caused by clouds. So this is the rain formation, but we are going to look at it in detail in some lessons ahead. So I have this also. The sunrise does not come direct because the clouds are in between the sun and the earth. So it will help to protect such that the rays do not reach people directly. Those ones that are very hot. Then keeps the earth warm, and then also changes in temperature. I have some pictures here. We are going to see them. Now, after that, my children, we are going to look at dangers of clouds very quickly. How are clouds dangerous? Though they are very good, we have seen, but sometimes they also have some disadvantages, some bad things. So how are they dangerous to us? We are going to be very quick and read through this very quickly. 1, clouds cause storms that can destroy people's, cause storms that can destroy people's property. And have that. Clouds cause storms that can destroy people's property. Then number 2, clouds cause lightning that can kill people. Can we say that? Clouds cause lightning that can kill people. Can we spell the word lightning quickly? Lightning. 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 Then lastly, large and dark clouds can cause planes to crash. Can we say that? Large and dark clouds can cause planes to crash. So my dear children, that is the end of today's lesson. And so I have left you with some very, very good activity here. Few numbers. Sit down, concentrate, and do it well. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.